This is the invisible selfie stick, but unfortunately with the Insta360 1R and the GoPro Max it isn't always invisible, and that's because of the tripod mounts they use. They aren't fixed in one place. In this video I have 4 solutions to keep the camera straight on top of the selfie stick and fix it in one place so it doesn't move. But this video also reaches out to you watching, because I know there are lots of other solutions out there and I want you to share with me in the comments what they are. So let's get straight to it. The first solution is a simple solution for the 1R and for the Max. And that is that firstly you could use a screwdriver to tighten up the existing thumb screw mount, or alternatively you can replace the thumb screw mount altogether with an independent bolt. With the thumb screw, sometimes no matter how tight you try and do it up, it just isn't tight enough and the camera still moves on the tripod mount. A bolt can be tightened up with a screwdriver a lot tighter and it will stay in place for a lot longer. The second solution is this 3D printed flat top tripod mount adapter that prevents the camera rotating forwards and backwards. This one is for the Venture case, but there is one on Thingiverse for the GoPro Max. If you have a 3D printed tripod mount adapter for the 1R, then please share it in the comments. An easy solution for the GoPro Max is to change the base of the GoPro Max to a 1/4 inch thread. You can get this mount here for around $10 from AliExpress. It's easy to change over with the included tool, and you simply undo these 4 screws here. Once it's changed, you then have a 1/4 inch screw thread mount at the bottom of the camera, and you can easily attach a selfie stick or a tripod with a 1/4 inch thread. And the camera will then sit straight and stay straight on top of your selfie stick. I haven't fully tested this thread, so I can't tell you how strong it is or how long it lasts or if there are any issues with it, but it seems like a good solution. The final solution is the best solution in my opinion because it's easily removable. This is important because you may want to use the GoPro Max in hero mode or the Insta360 1R with the 4K mod or the 1-inch mod, in which case you may want to move it on the selfie stick and put it at an angle. These are homemade mounts that a friend made for me out of square tube metal. You basically need 3 sides of a square piece of metal or hard plastic. It's a really simple design and it's basically a sleeve that goes around the existing mount with a hole in for the screw thread, and it stops the existing mount moving. It works really well on the Max and is much easier to create because the base of the Max is flat. With the 1R the mount was a lot more fiddly to create because the 1R has so many bits sticking out. But after a bit of faffing we managed to make one. Both of these sleeve type mounts are simple to put on and they hold the camera firmly in place on top of the selfie stick, and then they're really easy to take off. If you have a 3D printer then I'm sure these sleeves would be really easy to design and print. If you have other solutions to keep the camera straight on top of the selfie stick, or if you have a 3D printer and you think you can create some of these sleeves, then let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.